Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ari Blue. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. So you can see when you're, and also turn on the bell notification so you can see when I post my new videos. Once I get out of boot camp, I am gonna try and start uploading a little more. You know, I've been really busy the past month and a half. My ship out date moved up to December 9th, so I leave in like 2 days. I get this Sunday, which would be the 8th, I'm going to MEPS, and then on the 9th I am shipping out. I'm out. Okay, so I am coming to you with this video today just to show you what I am bringing to boot camp. This is based off of my start guide, which I'm gonna go ahead and read first. For your start guide, it says you can bring money, maximum of $10. Credit card not required. One prepaid calling card with $20 for emergencies. Your cell phone for the for the first phone call. It says it will be sent home afterwards, but it's something new that they're doing. You're not shipping home your stuff. You're not shipping home any of the items that you bring with you to boot camp. It's gonna stay with you, but you're not gonna have it on your person. Basically, it's gonna be either, I don't know if it's gonna be in a room, in a locker, or whatever the case may be. All I know is it's not being shipped home. So you'll be able to have your phone after boot camp is over. Once you graduate boot camp, your phone will be like, you know, you would have it already on hand. You don't have to wait for nobody to bring it. So that was that. You can do a light sweater or jacket for winter months. Completed direct deposit form. Your checkbook or ATM card, photo identification, which is your driver's license. Prescription drugs with identifying prescription labels, so you can bring your prescribed medications. Small Bible. I have to find my small Bible because I have only big Bibles. And your social security card. Okay, so based off of this and the different videos that I've watched on YouTube, I came up with my bag. Okay, so this is my little travel bag that I'm gonna see. I don't know if I can take everything. I don't know everything about everything, but I know everyone was putting their things into small Ziploc baggies, and it was a bunch of little things, you know, just in a bunch of different Ziploc baggies. So I said to chalk it up, I would just buy one clear big bag. Everything in here is clear. Well, not everything in here, but every bag that came in here was clear except for this one. And this is what I was gonna go ahead and keep: my driver's license, my social, my what is it? My birth certificate. Everything's in here. And whenever I get my direct deposit form, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in this as well. So this is what I was gonna keep it in and just put it in here. So this bag right here, based on the videos, and what people were like, oh, I wish I would have brought, or I wish I, you know, would have did this, whatever. This is what I came up with this. And so I don't want to take anything out because this was kind of I packed this in here, okay? And I had to do some work, okay, to make sure that everything fit in here just right. So I have cough drops in here. I have like 3 different kinds in here. I have cough drops. I have shaving cream, because they did say you can shave in there. You know, not everybody's gonna shave or whatever, but you can shave. You can bring your stuff to shave. So I have a small can of that. I have a travel size deodorant. I have a thing of hand sanitizer, and the hand sanitizer and the cough drops were because people were getting sick still, even after all the shots we had to take. People were getting sick because of the shots. People were getting sick just because they got sick. So I decided to go ahead and get that because of the videos I watched and because of. All right, so there's a hand sanitizer. I brought a little can of Lysol. I do not know if I can keep this, but I am gonna see. You know, if I can, then okay, because I'm not really, I wouldn't call myself germophobic, but I don't like sitting on just any toilet seat, okay? Like, when I go to people's houses that's not, you know, my own or my mom's house or anything, I don't like just sitting on people's toilet seats. So that's what the Lysol is for. For my hair, I have locks under here, and all I did was just do yarn braids on top of my locks. So for that, I just got some spray, a little spray bottle that's for my scalp, for dry itchy scalp or whatever. So that is for my hair. In this bag, I have like my razor. I have my razor in here. I don't know if you can see, it's like a little diamond shapes. I have my razor in there. I also have my bobby pins, because for your bobby pins, for your hair, you can use as many bobby pins as you like, because your hair has to be tucked in. There can be no like little flyaways, no nothing. Everything has to be tucked away. So whenever you put it into the little low ponytail or low bun or whatever. So I have bobby pins in here. I have scrunchies like this in here. I also have a bonnet. It looks like this. It looks like this. So I have like a little bonnet or whatever. I don't know if I can wear that. I definitely don't know if I can wear that or whatever. But, you know, if I can, you know, I will, just to protect my hair whenever I'm sleeping. But if not, chalk it up. It is what it is. All right, so that's that. What else do I have in here? Okay, for girls, we are allowed to bring up to a week worth of feminine, like, hygiene products. So I have a week's worth of tampons and night pads in mine. And it's in like a little clear baggie in here that came with this. It's another little bag about this big and this long, as you can see, that that came with this bag. I bought flushable wipes. I don't know if I can use this once again, but whenever I get through a boot camp, I'll do another video on what I was actually able to keep. If I got to keep everything, you know, great, whatever. I also bought a little thing of soap, a little container of soap, because I don't know what kind of soap they're gonna give us. And my skin is sensitive, so, you know, I just brought my own soap just in case. I also have, this thing came with it, but I have a little, a shower scrubber. So I have that in there as well. Trying to make sure I didn't miss anything. I also have a little thing of lotion. Not a little thing, but it's like this big, a travel thing of lotion. Because a lot of people were saying, like, I wish I would have brought lotion. I brought lotion, and everybody was asking me for lotion. So I went ahead and got me a little travel size thing of lotion. People were bringing makeup as well, but I don't wear makeup. So I brought me a little thing of lip gloss, 2 things of lip gloss, because I actually, you know, this is one of my favorites. You can't really see it right now because it's starting to like fade. But I bought 2 things of lip gloss, and then I brought some cotton swabs, because I don't know, I haven't seen in any of the videos if we're gonna get like regular towels or whatever, or face cloths or washcloths. I didn't see anybody say anything about that. So I went ahead and got these so I can go ahead, what did I call them? Some cotton swabs. I think I said 2. I don't remember what I said. If I said something wrong other than cotton swabs, my apologies. I'm gonna just show y'all how big they are, because this I can't take out. It's like on top. But as you can see, everything is still a little in, you know. All right, so I have these. And it has 50 in there, but I'm very big on like keeping my ears clean, you know. And since I won't be able to, and I don't use cotton swabs. I don't use these at all. I really just use my, like, the towel and my, you know, because it's only supposed to be as big as your finger, you know, to get in there. So I'm only getting these and only using them because I do not know if I'm gonna get an actual face towel to clean out my ears and around my ears or anything. So I have that. So that is my bag that I am bringing to boot camp. And, you know, it's based off of different things. So whatever I'm not, oh, and I also have this too. I have extra clothes. Like, I know I can't keep these in boot camp, because everything that you're gonna need, everything that's needed will be provided to you. Like sweatpants, shirts, tops, all of that will be given to you, because you're gonna be in uniform, you know, throughout the entire thing. Anyway, but this is for like MEPS and at the hotel. Like, I brought 2 extra pair of bottoms, which is like my sweatpants and some jean pants, 2 extra shirts, because I don't know, just in case we're delayed or whatever, and we don't leave when we're supposed to leave. So I have 4 extra pairs of socks, 4 extra pairs of underwears, 2 beanies or whatever. I just bought something so I could, you know, still be comfortable, to be able to take a shower and change, you know, my undergarments, you know. So I have that. I am also bringing my Star Guide with me. I don't know if I said that already, but I am bringing my Star Guide with me so I can study while I'm at the hotel. I have been studying. I already know the mission of the Navy. I know the Sailor's Creed. I know the RTC Maximum. I know what else is it? I'm still learning the 11 general orders, but I am studying for my stuff. So basically, I am going to be taking this with me. So make sure y'all are studying this and are learning this already. Also, to kill 2 birds with 1 stone in this video, I already packed my A-School bag, which is what you're propped up on. Y'all don't see it, but y'all are propped up on my A-School bag right now. And in it, all I packed was let me see. I can't really rotate my camera around, but I can. Let me see. All right, so boom. All right, so this is my bag. You can't really see it. I wish it had more light. Okay, so the lighting's a little off from this way, but I have a bunch of workout clothes in here. I have my underwear, a few things, a few bras in here. I have my headphones, like my little headphones for whenever I get to A school. I have workout clothes everywhere. This is mainly workout clothes. I have a few hats. I don't know if I'll be able to wear my hats or whatever, but you know, it is what it is. So I brought shampoo. This is the only shampoo I use. I don't know if I can keep that or not, but you know, I still put it in there. I have lotion. I have a bunch of different like sweatpants in here. Like I have sweats, different sweats. I have shorts. I have like cute little outfits, whatever. Just, you know, if I wanted them, just in case or whatever. But this will be left at home, and okay, this will be left at home, and I'm just gonna have my mom bring it whenever my mom or whoever else comes down to watch me graduate. So I'm just have them bring that. And that is all, I think. I think that is it. I will have my chargers and my laptop in here, but I haven't put it in here yet because I still have to edit videos for you lovely people and make sure I get some content out before I go, so that way you don't, you know, I'm not just, you know, MIA and disappeared on y'all. So I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please, once again, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. You know, if you have any questions or anything, leave them below for me, and I will answer them when I get back. If you ask me any questions before I leave, I will make sure I can get back to you beforehand. I'm also gonna do some videos on the flight because I've never flown, okay, and that's the only thing that I'm worried about really with leaving is that flight. So I'm gonna try and update y'all with that. Oh yeah, I forgot one more thing. Okay, so my address book. I am bringing an address book. Okay, for my going, like I had like a little thing. There was people had wrote on like little cards for me, words of encouragement and all that. And if they wanted me to write them, then they would put their address on the back. So I have all the cards that people left their addresses on. I did put them in here, you know. I did put them in here, and phone numbers as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and write all that down and get that popping as well. So I'll be able to keep in contact with my family, even if it is through writing. When I do get to make phone calls, everything will be in here. So that is all. Well, I hope y'all have a lovely day. I am finna get this stuff closed up and put away and let my mama know where it's at and tell her what's going on with the suitcase and why it's being made. And here comes Lucky, who wants to get in the video. He is so spoiled, y'all. And so, yeah, that is all. Y'all have a good day. Once again, it's your girl, Ari Blue, and I hope to see y'all soon. Bye.